Hello everyone, today I am here to review all these 9 books of Vinod Publications. All these are ETT second year books. These are Punjabi medium books. All these are bestseller book of Vinod Publications, which is the most trusted publishing firm of India. These all are strictly according to the new syllabus prescribed by the State Council of Educational Research and Training, SCERT Punjab. So let's now quickly review all these 9 books and check it out. First of all, Diversity, Gender and Inclusive Education, in a bestseller book. Unit wise syllabus is mentioned. Unit 1, Inclusive Education. Unit 2, Children with Special Needs. Unit 3, Gender, School and Society. Then contents is given. Unit 1, Inclusive Education. Then all this is given. Unit 2, Children with Special Needs. Then Unit 3, Gender, School and Society. And check this out. So syllabus is given and contents is given, and then you can go to any particular page number and find that particular topic, and the topics are highlighted in both English and Punjabi language to make it comfortable for both English and Punjabi readers to read it and read the book and find it easy. The price of the book is just 229.50 rupees only. Once you can check this out. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon, or you can also call them directly at 9218 and buy this at 229.50 rupees. Diversity, Gender and Inclusive Education, highly recommendable book. Another one is Children, Physical and Emotional Health and Yoga Education Part 2. Unit wise, Unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Contents 1, Unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go to any page, find a particular topic, read it, highlighted in both English and Punjabi. Price is just 129.50 rupees. Available on Flipkart, Amazon, or you can call them directly at 9218 and it will be delivered you within 3-4 days only. You can buy it from any available bookstore nearby your location also at 129.50. So I highly recommend Children's Physical and Emotional Health and Yoga Education Part 2. Another one is Pedagogy of Science Education. Unit 1, Understanding Science. Unit 2, Revisiting School Science Concepts. Unit 3, Plan for Teaching. Unit 4, Science for All. Then topics are mentioned. Go to any page, find a particular topic, read it. In English and Punjabi both are highlighted. So 229.50 is the price of the book. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon, or you can call them directly at 9218 you can go to any available bookstore and buy this book at 229.50. I highly recommend Pedagogy of Science Education. Another one is Pedagogy of Punjabi Language. You can check it out. Contents Unit 1, 2, everything is given. 3 with page numbers you can mention. Verified the syllabus. 4, 5. Go to any page, find that particular topic, read it. Price is just 229.50 rupees. It's available on Flipkart, Amazon, or you can call them directly at 9218 and it will be delivered within 3-4 days only, or you can buy from any available bookstore at 229.50. I highly recommend Pedagogy of Punjabi Language. Another one is Pedagogy of Hindi, ETT second year again book. Unit wise, Unit 1, Unit 2, 3, 4 syllabus. Contents Unit 1, 2, 3, 4. Go to any page, find topic, read it. Very well explained things. Each topic is given is proper due and everything is completely given. Price is just 229.50 again. Buy it on Flipkart and Amazon, or you can call them directly at 9218 or you can also buy it from any available bookstore nearby your location at 229.50 rupees only. So I highly recommend Pedagogy of Hindi. Must buy this book. Another one is Cognition, Learning and the Social Cultural Context. So again, syllabus unit 1, unit 2, 3, contents unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, go to any page, find a topic. Unit 4 is also given, find it and read it. Everything is properly explained, highlighted in both English and Punjabi. So 229.50 is the price of this book. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon also, or you can call them directly at 9218 219218, and book will be delivered within 3-4 days only. You can buy it from any available bookstore nearby location at 229.50 rupees. Cognition, learning and the social culture context. I highly recommend this book. Another one is teacher identity and school culture context. Unit wise, unit 1, structures and processes, then unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, contents is given. Unit 1, these are the things. Unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, go to any page, find and read it. Also contents are highlighted in both English and Punjabi to make it comfortable both kind of readers. Inside also points are highlighted in both English and Punjabi. This book has 424 pages and its price is just 229.50. It covers everything in detail. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon, or you can call them directly at 9218 219218 and buy it. You can also buy it from any available bookstore at 229.50. I highly recommend this book, Teacher Entry and School Culture. Another book is Pedagogy of Social Science Education. Unit 1, syllabus. Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4, contents. Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4. Go to any page, find a topic, read it. Given in both English and Punjabi, highlighted in both English and Punjabi. Things are highlighted, and this book also covers 432 pages. Things are so much discussed in detail. Price is just 229.50 rupees only. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon, or you can call them directly at 9218 219218. You can buy it from any available bookstore nearby your location at 229.50 rupees only. So I highly recommend Pedagogy of Social Science Education. Another book is Pedagogy of English Language. Unit wise everything is mentioned. Unit 1, syllabus. Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4, Unit 5, contents is mentioned. Unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go to any page, find that particular topic, read it. Very well explained book, very well, topics are very well given. This book price is 229.50 rupees only. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon, or you can call them directly at 9218 219218. You can also buy it from any available bookstore nearby your location at 229.50. It will be available to you. So 229.50 is the price of this book. I highly recommend all these 9 books of Vinod Publications, ETT second year, all are ETT second year books of SCERT. All are bestseller books of Vinod Publications, which is the most trusted publishing firm of India. I highly recommend each one of them. Must buy all these books of Punjabi medium. So it will definitely help in exams. Must buy each one of them, and highly recommend it. Thank you so much.